Big Joe's Outdoors. As you can hear, everybody's hungry. They've got an automatic feeder. I have to feed these guys daily, but I have a feeder in the process of being made. That's them. These guys got a bulk feeder. I'm gonna go grab a bag of feed and fill that up. I put 50 pounds of layer feed in there. Some of the meat birds can eat it, and the other birds are all layer birds in that cage. And these guys got their own water systems and their own food systems. They're already full. So believe it or not, they don't eat a whole lot. And then we come in here to the rabbits and the pigeons. Now, pigeons get a scoop of mixed grains, pigeon pellets. This little girl's saying hi because her water bottle's empty. So, I'm going to fill that up real quick. Alright, there's your water girl. She's got plenty of food. Looks like Mama Rabbit over here. She's burning through it, but that's to be expected. She's got a lot going on in there. Take Mama and Daddy and the other Daddy. And so on. This is just daily chores in the rabbit pen. All my prego mamas, they get all they can eat. The ones that's still young ones in there, they get full trough. And as you saying, they all got automatic waterers. There's a connection here, T-fitting with a fitting. So a little thing down here that dribbles out. All you gotta do is touch it. Plenty of water flow. And then there's my emu. There's my other emu. I'm gonna go in here and top off the feeders in here. We still got feed. We need feed. Good big. Another mama. Good. These automatic waters are awesome when it comes to these automatic waterers. The best thing you can do. And always have you a trash line when you build these things. You open it up, you dump the garbage out, it collects, shut it off. In the other barn, here's where the water is. There's a float valve in here. This stays full. It maintains the water pressure to operate the waterers like that. There's some turkeys. chickens. And some quails. They're all doing good. I made my own feeders, PVC pipes with large cutouts in them for the bigger birds. Fill it up here every day, so I'm barely taking any. And the quails, I only need filling up every 2 or 3 days. Then there's the pigs and the emus. The emus, you got a feeder inside the barn. They go in and get what they want. They eat the grass. They eat the rabbit feed. And that's the majority of my chores day to day. I do have a few chicken pens that occasionally need their buckets refilled. Over there, right there, and right there. They need water by the way they're looking at it, but all their feeders are full from the last time I filled them up. So, there's a little farm tool, little feeding session. Like, subscribe, comment. Y'all have a blessed day.